Now, as we've seen, much of what happens in Scrum takes place in the context of meetings between the product owners, the development team, and the Scrum Master. These meetings are often referred to as the team ceremonies. The first one is called a backlog grooming session. This should be attended by the team, by the product owner, and of course, by the Scrum Master. And it's at this meeting that everybody helps to assemble the list of user stories that the product owners want the team to implement. This list is known as the product backlog. The second ceremony is the sprint planning meeting. It's during this meeting that the product owner and the team negotiate to determine which of the stories are going to be tackled during the next sprint. The result is a list of user stories that is called the sprint backlog. And it is important to remember that this needs to be a conversation between the product owner and the team. That is, neither side gets to dictate which user stories will wind up in the next sprint backlog. So while it's up to the product owner to decide which stories are of the highest priority to the release, the team also has the power to push back and voice concerns about potential impediments to progress. Once this negotiation has been completed, then the next sprint can begin. This is a very brief development cycle, which should be no more than a few weeks in length. And when it is done, the result will be a new iteration of working software for the product owners to evaluate.